Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Ready to Learn with Pooja Bhatnagar ma'am. Today in this video we will learn some food taste name with pictures. So let's get start the video. Sour. Sour. Sour means khatta. Sour. Having a sharp acidic taste. Sour means having a sharp acidic taste. Example, the lemon tastes sour. The lemon tastes sour. Salty. Salty. Salty means namkeen. S-A-L-T-Y. Salty. Salty means tasting of salt. Example, the soup is too salty. The soup is too salty. Bitter. Bitter. Bitter means kadwa. B-I-T-T-E-R. Bitter. Having a sharp, unpleasant taste. Example, bitter gourd juice is very bitter. Bitter gourd juice is very bitter. Spicy. Spicy. Spicy means tikha. S-P-I-C-Y. Spicy. Hot and strong in flavor. Hot and strong in flavor. Example, I like spicy food. I like spicy food. Sweet. Sweet. Sweet means meetha. S-W-E-E-T. Sweet. Having a sugary taste. Having a sugary taste. Example, the cake is very sweet. The cake is very sweet. Savory. Savory. S-A-V-O-R-Y. Savory. Savory means salty and tasty, not sweet. Example, the curry has a savory flavor. The curry has a savory flavor. Creamy. Creamy. C-R-E-A-M-Y. Creamy. Smooth and rich taste. Creamy means makhan malai. Example, the ice cream is creamy. The ice cream is creamy. Crispy. Crispy. C-R-I-S-P-Y. Crispy. Hard and crunchy. Crispy means kurkura. Example, the chips are crispy. The chips are crispy. Smoky. Smoky. S-M-O-K-Y. Smoky. Having a smoke-like flavor. Smoky means धुएंदार. Example, the grilled food tastes smoky. The grilled food tastes smoky. Mild. Mild. M-I-L-D. Mild. Not strong in taste. Example, this curry is mild. This curry is mild. Juicy. Juicy. J-U-I-C-Y. Juicy. Full of juice. Juicy means ras bhara. Example, the mango is juicy. The mango is juicy. Fresh. Fresh. F-R-E-S-H. Fresh. Clean and natural taste. Fresh means taja. Example, the salad tastes fresh. The salad tastes fresh. Bland. Bland. B-L-A-N-D. Bland. no strong taste. Example, the food is bland. The food is bland. So viewer, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel Ready to Learn with Pooja Bhatnagar. See you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye.